Today we're going to install this coil pack on this 2008 Jeep Wrangler Sahara 3.836. Alright, here's the replacement part number. There's the old one, here's the new one. And this is just going to go in like so. It has two screws. It is a 10mm. You probably won't need an extension. I labeled all my wires in the previous video, so now we're gonna plug everything back in. So let's go ahead and mount this. Put in the two screws. This is gonna go right in there, and you can see the two screws, access holes, right there and right there. So let's go ahead and mount that. Alright, there it is, and just go ahead and secure them down. Not too tight, it is plastic. Let's go ahead and connect our pigtail right in there. Perfect. Let's go ahead and secure it. A little secure button. Now let's go ahead and put in all our plugs back into place. One obviously goes into one. And just make sure they're all the way in there. Click in. Three. Obviously 1 to 3, and so forth. So let me go ahead and put in all those plugs. Alright, and there it is. Now let's go ahead and remove the tape. Alright, and there it is. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Alright, here we go. Sorry, the Jeep is dead. We're giving it a jump start right now. Alright, and there it is. She's alive. Sweet. I think I left the key on the ignition. Whoops. Overnight. But there it is. And that is how you install the coil pack. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.